guys, it's me again, and that couch used to be right there, but I moved it back up there because I figured out it actually looked good that way. And then I moved this green couch up to right here, and then I moved this part, the little trunk that I keep everything in. I moved that right here behind the bed, that part. We might move that sometime. And then let me get the chair, and we need to figure out. I think I know. I think I should put it right here. I mean, right here, so people, I'll keep that with the pets. So whenever they want to see the pets, they can. And then down here, I have the camera now, guys. Because my daddy didn't want to video this part. We got a bathtub, an orange bathtub with 2 faucets. You haven't saw this part yet. Oh, and then the really awesome, cool part is the shower. And it even has the ring. Daddy, stop! Daddy, I got you in the video. Just a tiny bit. And then it has an orange. It's that one girl. Sky, probably. Okay, and then there's that. Daddy, I'm scared. We're not lying about this, guys.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
It's your phone.
Oh, mine? Okay. And so there's this right here. And it's really cool. And then my favorite part ever is the toilet. And it has an even seat that opens. And then we have a sink. Back there, it has a mirror. Hi, guys. And on top of it, we have Bratz toothpaste. And it has faucets too, just like the bath. And then in here we have this little thing. And I have some doctor stuff. I have that thing for a pet and that dog I showed you earlier. And then I have shots in here and the ear thingy they put for your ear. And guys, now we're gonna set the dolls. Okay, we're gonna set her first. We're gonna sit her in the bed. Make her be sitting down, chilling. And then we're gonna make the sister be laying down in the couch. Sorry guys, it's hard for me videoing it, so I need my daddy to be videoing it, but yeah. Then I'm gonna make Caddy be sitting up here on her bed. Guys, you can see me right now, can't you? I can't video this part. So sorry guys. Okay, that's good. And then so I have that all there. And then now let's get Equestrial. And she's gonna be sitting on this couch. Her wings popped off. I'll get them later. But thanks you all for watching this video. And please comment down below, subscribe. Just comment down below if you want more videos. And bye. See you later.